Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to uncover the ultimate truth about fruits. It is shocking what kind of power these fruits really have. In this video, I'll show you real fruits that have a mind-blowing power. And once you see what they can do for your body, you'll never look at fruits the same way again. Some of these fruits you may not even believe actually exist. So get ready to explore and discover the hidden power of nature's bounty. As a renowned expert, I've dedicated my life to researching and promoting the incredible health benefits of natural foods. With over 35 years of experience, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of nature's gifts. But did you know that some fruits have extra special powers? These are the kinds of fruits that can really make a difference in how you feel and look. So if you're ready to discover the hidden potential of fruits, stick around and let's dive into the amazing world of nature's superfoods together. My mission is to guide you on your journey to better health by revealing the secrets held within everyday fruits. It's no secret that fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are good for your overall health. It's got so much L-tryptophan that eating just 100 grams of this fruit can give you a whopping 46% of the recommended daily intake. It's got anti-cancer properties that can help keep you healthy and strong. Plus, loads of fiber and vitamin C to give you a glowing complexion and boost your immunity. We're going to go on an exciting adventure to find these mysterious fruits and reveal their amazing powers. They're seriously mind-blowing. The vomit fruit, also known as the vomit fruit, is a must-try for anyone looking to boost their mood and overall well-being. Studies have shown that this fruit can slow down the growth of cancer cells and even help them commit suicide. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your health. And the best part, it tastes absolutely divine. Creamy, sweet, and a little sour. The soursop is a culinary masterpiece that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. But no matter what color you encounter, rest assured you're in for a treat. The taste of soursop is often described as a creamy vanilla custard, rich and indulgent, without being overly sweet. It's the perfect balance of flavors that will leave you feeling pampered and rejuvenated. It's not only delicious and nutritious, but also has a long history of use in traditional medicine. They're packed with more than twice the antioxidants of any other fruit. These antioxidants can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Many believe that soursop can help boost the immune system and fight off infections like colds and flu. This fruit is like a little ball of sunshine that will brighten up your day and leave you feeling on top of the world. It's a fruit that has been overlooked for far too long, and it's time we shed some light on its incredible benefits. Well, let me tell you, the vomit fruit is not only packed with essential nutrients. This essential amino acid is what the happiness hormone serotonin is made from. If you struggle with feeling down or lacking motivation, incorporating vomit fruit into your diet could be a game changer. Studies have shown that increasing L-tryptophan levels can significantly improve your mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, but also offers a plethora of health benefits that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and full of vigor. Allow me to introduce you to the humble noni or vomit fruit. Click the link provided to seamlessly transition to our next video and keep enjoying the incredible benefits of nature's bounty. Together, we can spread awareness about the incredible health benefits of fruits and inspire others to make healthier choices. They taste like a sweet and slightly tart explosion that will make your mouth water and leave you wanting more. It's a great source of potassium, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. I hope you've enjoyed discovering the amazing power of fruits and how they can transform your health and well-being. Despite its somewhat off-putting name, the fruit has a creamy texture and a sweet taste reminiscent of chalk. It's a truly one-of-a-kind culinary adventure that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. The fruit also contains significant amounts of magnesium and vitamin B6, both of which play a vital role in supporting a healthy nervous system. The vomit fruit has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat everything from anxiety to digestive issues. It's even believed that the fruit can help reduce symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Studies have shown that consuming just a handful of wild blueberries can improve reaction times and problem-solving abilities. Their tiny size makes them perfect for snacking, but they're also a fantastic addition to smoothies, salads, and desserts. Whether you're looking to improve your mood, boost your nutrient intake, or simply expand your culinary horizons, this remarkable fruit has it all. These little berries are like tiny blue diamonds that add a touch of elegance to any dish. That grace? It's high in potassium, which can help lower blood pressure, and also contains compounds that can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. But don't let their size fool you. They're packed with health benefits that can help keep your mind sharp and your body strong. The first fruit we're going to explore is the noni, or vomit fruit. They're loaded with antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and keep your heart healthy. This fruit is a true miracle worker. When it comes to boosting your mood and reducing stress, just smelling the fruit has been shown to reduce levels of the stress hormone, cortisol. Plus, they're a great source of dietary fiber, which can help keep your digestive system happy and your blood sugar levels in check. This fruit has a funny name. but it's got some serious health benefits. That's the experience that awaits you with the vomit fruit. Its unique taste is often compared to a combination of chalk and apples, but with a tropical twist. It's a little hard to describe, but trust me, it's something you need to try for yourself. It's super high in L-tryptophan, which is what the happiness hormone serotonin is made from. If you eat this fruit, you'll feel on top of the world in no time. Did you know that more than 80% of the world's population does consume enough of this one particular fruit? This fruit is so important because it helps prevent many health problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, and even cancer. And guess what? It's super easy to add this fruit to your daily routine. I want to talk about a special kind of fruit that you might not have heard of before. The next fruit on our list is the soursop. This creamy and delicious fruit is packed with anti-cancer properties. It's like nature's way of giving you a shield against harmful cells. Not only that, but soursop also helps lower inflammation and boost your immune system. So next time you see this fruit, dig in and enjoy the sweet and sour taste while reaping the incredible benefits. Now let's turn our attention to the wild blueberries. These little gems are not only visually stunning, but also incredibly nutritious. Wild blueberries contain special compounds called anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve brain health and protect against age-related decline. They're also a great source of fiber and vitamin C, making them a must-have in your diet. Next up is the noni, or vomit fruit. This fruit has a funny name, but it's got some serious health benefits. It's super high in L-tryptophan, which is what the happiness hormone serotonin is made from. If you eat this fruit, you'll feel on top of the world in no time. Are you ready to blow your mind? Check out this incredible fruit. The soursop has a creamy texture and a sweet taste that will make you feel like you're in a tropical paradise. It's got anti-cancer properties that help keep you healthy and strong. Plus, it's full of fiber and vitamin C to keep your tummy happy and your immune system boosted. It's like a nutritional superhero in disguise as a delicious dessert. Now, let's talk about the wild blueberries. They might be small, but they're packed with some serious health benefits. These tiny berries are full of antioxidants that can help improve your brain health and memory. Plus, they're a great source of fiber and vitamin C, which can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. You won't believe the amazing benefits of the vomit fruit. And let's not forget about the soursop. This fruit is like a tropical treasure chest filled with all sorts of good stuff. Now let's take a closer look at the wild blueberries. If you think you know all about fruits, wait till you hear about these ones. The sour soup is a true gem when it comes to fighting cancer cells. Wild blueberries are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Imagine biting into a juicy, ripe fruit that tastes like a symphony of flavors dancing on your tongue. The soursop is a true chameleon when it comes to its appearance. It can be white, yellow, or even reddish inside. When it comes to the wild blueberries, their beauty lies not only in their vibrant color, but also in their delicate flavor. If you're still not convinced that these fruits are the real deal, let me blow your mind even more. Soursop has been dubbed the king of fruits for a reason. Wild blueberries are not just a pretty face. You've probably never heard of the vomit fruit, but trust me, you're missing out. The soursop is like a nutritional superhero. Don't underestimate the power of wild blueberries. They're like little blue capsules of goodness that can help improve your memory and cognitive function. But there's one fruit that stands out among the rest. Now, you might be wondering, considering its name, why would anyone want to eat this fruit? One of the most impressive things about the vomit fruit is its high concentration of L. That's not all. The vomit fruit also contains a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. In addition to its mood-boosting and nutrient-rich properties, the vomit fruit also offers a unique flavor profile that's worth experiencing. While the vomit fruit may not be as widely available as other fruits, it's definitely worth seeking out. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the world of fruits. If you're eager to continue your exploration of healthy living, I invite you to watch another video where I share delicious and nutritious recipes that incorporate these powerful fruits. Remember, the knowledge you've gained today has the power to change lives. So don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and embrace the power of fruits in your journey towards a better, brighter you.